Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today we'll continue to talk about the currency of Euro Union, and we will start from the daily time frame as usual. Well, as we discussed in the previous video research yesterday, market is calling in the tight range just above the weekly pivot point, and in general this price action reminds me this price action, because you can see that this day was inside day to this trading session. Then we see the high wave, then the doji, that looks like the high wave also inside trading session to previous one, and currently we see another small trading session, today's trading session that has started today. Okay, but what the range will be of this trade session I do not know, but in general market is coiling just above the weekly pivot point, and this price action suggests that market building in energy. It's ready to explosive move to the upside or to the downside. Although we suspect during the previous look-alike pattern that market should take out the highs previously and then accelerates to the downside, but market makers was even wiser than we thought. First they grab the stops, those who prepare for the breakout to the upside, and after that, when those who entering on this breakout with the stops just above 145, they grab their stops and accelerate to the upside. So this price action could repeat again. We do not know, but in general, from the daily point of view, we see that market is building energy, and we should expect some move to the downside or to the upside. And where it will be, only way to recognize it is to look at the intraday charts. Concerning about the targets, we could say that this area, the same that we had discussed yesterday, 149.50, 150 area, is the area where some target stands, and this is the nearest target on the daily time frame that market should reach. Now we can see that market is not at overbought, because the level of overbought for today's trading session stands at 150.84. It's right here, just below the market support of the weekly pivot point and the FIB support 147.29, and below it the daily confidence support 146, 146.32. Also take a look at this red line. It's the MACD indicator, MACD predictor, Jordan Apple indicator. It comes very close to the current price action, and in general it could show some stop grabber pattern that could give us some prompt that possibly market will take out these highs. If it will happen, this will give us more confidence that possibly we should expect move to the upside rather to the downside, but it will become clear only tomorrow or even in a later trading session. We do not see it definitely currently. Now let's take a look at the intraday charts. On intraday chart, this is 4-hour chart, we can see the couple of moments. First of all, we can see our broadening top pattern that is turns to some consolidation. So market hasn't shown any breakout of this pattern yet, but in general market has accomplished the minimum touches of these borders of these patterns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Usually this target, this level is the crucial level for the working of this pattern. If market will break it to the upside, then possibly this level, this pattern treated as failed and market accelerates to the upside. In general, this is a reversal pattern, but now you can see that market stands in the range of this pattern, yet it's possibly this is not the perfect broadening top, because this market hasn't reached the top of this border. Now we can see that market, although starts to move to the downside, stop and reverse to the upside. So don't be very deceived by this pattern that it should be definitely be reversal. It could in general, but it not always has happened that market reversed after the broadening top. Well, others couple of moments. First of all, this could be the butterfly sell, left wing and acceleration to the upside, with the target at the same area, 149.50, 150 area. It's right here. if we will take into account 1618 target of this possible butterfly. Now, the second pattern that is very important, look at this. MACD shows the really strong down trend, but price action is not. It stands flat. It doesn't support this move to the downside. Well, in general, this calls the bullish dynamic pressure, when the trend couldn't push the market to the downside. In general, when the price action doesn't support trend, and in these cases, the price action has the priority above the MACD, and usually it leads to the taking out of the previous highs. What kind of this taking out could be? It could be the just wash and rinse of these highs and a reversal to the downside, or it could be the continuation. We do not know. But in general, I think that market currently has more bullish signs than bearish. So if you are bullish, wait for the reaching of this area, because this is a strong area of support. This is weekly pivot point for our confidence support 147.19, 147.29, and for our oversold. When the market will reach it, you can try to enter on the long side with the stops just below 146.90, somewhere right here. When market will start move to the upside, then move your stop to the break even. So currently we should use very tight stops and take profit fast. If you are bearish, wait when the market will move closer to this high. For example, like it has happened during the yesterday's trading session. Then you can enter on the short side with a placing stop just above it. Currently, I do not see any significant clues that would tell us that possibly could help us to estimate the direction, precisely direction of the breakout. I do not see any currently. But in general, this price action usually leads to the upper breakout than to the down breakout. Okay. Now on the hourly chart, you can see that the trading environment for the nearest time, you can see that hourly trend is bearish and market is forming this ABCD pattern. Also take a look at the target of this ABCD. Stands precisely at the 4-hour confidence support. So use this area for entry on the long side with the stops somewhere around 146.70, 146.80. Well, possibly, and move your stop to the break even as soon as market will allow you to do that. Do not place far stops, because if market will show some breakout of this pattern, this breakout will be really strong. So that's currently my view on this situation. Well, trade the short time swings, place tight stops, be prepared for the possible breakout in one or other direction. But in general, the combination of these patterns, the dynamic pressure and other patterns on the daily time frame, tells me that possibly the upper breakout has some more chances than the downward breakout. But we all know that what has happened right here, so that's why it's better to wait some definite clues on the intraday charts. But currently I do not see any patterns yet. So if this butterfly will start to develop in this way, possibly we could, in this case, we could tell that possibly market will reach 149.50, 150 area. But currently it hasn't happened yet.